You're looking at the essie colors for summer. You have 2 pink and 2 blues, just to see how the shades are. We've already put Baguette Knot on. This is the color called Baguette Knot. That's a pretty name. And that's the shade. Alright, what is next?
Vanity Fair's.
Okay. This is a light pink. And how can you go wrong with pink for summer? Oh, it's beautiful. It's a very soft, has a little bit of shimmer to it. It's beautiful. Yeah, that would be very pretty for summer. What's this one?
Mint Candy Apple.
Mint Candy Apple is next. This is our blue shades. Give it a little shake. Blues are so pretty for summertime on the beach, by the pool. Oh, that's beautiful. Look how pretty that is. Alright, what is our next blue?
Blue Lala.
Blue Lala. I love their names. Give it a little shake. And do our little pinky. Put little blue Lala on the little pinky. Of course, you're going to need to give it a second coating to make it look beautiful and last longer. Well, I think they're all my favorites. So we had Baguette Knot, Vanity, Mint Candy Apple, and Blue Lala. They're beautiful. Perfect for summer.